This is numbers 9 through 12 on the test review. Number 9 says, what's the length of AB? Well, what you've got yourself here is a right triangle, and you have two edge lengths. So you could technically use Pythagorean theorem to find AB. This is going to be a 6, 8, 10, but in case you didn't know that, let me show you this with Pythagorean theorem. These are both legs, so 6 squared plus 8 squared is going to be our hypotenuse squared. That's 36 plus 64, which is 100, is equal to c squared. And if we take the square root of both sides, c is going to be 10. So that's why AB is going to be the measure of 10. Then it says, what's the measure of x? Now you can actually use any of this information. I'm going to use what they originally gave to me. So notice here, x and 8, this would be opposite, and then this here would then be adjacent, which means I'd use tangent. So tangent of x is equal to the opposite number 8 over the adjacent number 6. And remember, if we're going to be trying to find x, we've got to move tangent this way. To move tangent that way, we're doing the inverse of tangent, and then we're going to do inverse of that 8, 6. So tangent inverse of 8, 6 is going to leave me with a degree of approximately, to the nearest degree, we're going to say 53 degrees. It says, which trigonometric ratio represents sine of x? Remember, sine is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So it's going to be the 8 over the 10, which would then simplify to be 4/5. It says, what's the ratio of cosine of x? Here's x, and then cosine of x would be adjacent over hypotenuse. So the 6 over 10, which would simplify to be 3/5.